Welcome. In this video we will show you how to set up your trember room or booth. You can add your own images to your event lobby page, and personalize it. All rooms can be given their own name and thus customized for you. You can also include videos in the lobby and, for example, include your own CI. In this example we have integrated a product video and a flowchart. Both can be displayed in full screen mode via the button on the top right of the element. Each room has its own link, which you can also name freely according to your wishes. Here you can see your room name again before entering the room. Enter your display name here. Don't forget to turn on your camera and microphone there. There are also password protected rooms. Enter your password here. Before that you have to determine which functions will be unlocked for you and all normal guests. Here you can see all functions. Furthermore, it is possible to exchange business information with one click. This function has to be activated by the admin in advance. If you want to impress your guests, let them activate our new chroma key function beforehand. This way you can easily raise your presentation to a new level with a full body projection. You can choose between many prefabricated backgrounds. Insert your own background, but we are also at your disposal and create a background adapted to your needs in the colors of your company for an additional charge. Insert photos into the room. Show info about your company on flyers or fade in your logo additionally. All options are open to you. Insert videos from YouTube or Vimeo into the room. You can determine if the video runs synchronously for all or if it has to be clicked on by the audience individually. At the bottom you can drag the video bigger or smaller. You can also integrate iframe-capable websites directly in the trember room. To do so, simply generate an iframe link and insert it into trember. For example, work on a Miro board together with your colleagues and thus collaborate better and more goal-oriented as a team. You can link photos in the room, so that externally stored files can be easily accessed. In this example we used a Google Drive folder. Make sure that the link is shared, otherwise there may be problems with retrieval. If you have any questions, please contact the organizers of this event or Trember itself.